Francis. Aubrey. Wala. Number 45, Blackpink. Wala. Pass JT. JT against Coach Francis. JT for free. Wala. Out of bounds. Alright. So Aubrey to Coach Francis. Coach Francis is the center. Coach Francis is the leader. As far as Aubrey. JT, looking to teammate, 3 provided, pass to 14. 14 looking at teammate, pass to Jake, 8, Kawan, Jake, 18 for 3, wala. Coach Francis, out of Canada. Pass to Edwards. Out of bounds. Score natin 2-0. 2-0. The middle, 80, the floater, wala. Rebound by Aubrey, pass to Coach Francis. Number 14, gana lang bola. Number 14, breaking the ball. 14 to JT. JT leading for teammate. Jay, plus 3, wala. Kapos. Edwards with the ball. Edwards for the 3-point line. Wala. Coach Francis with the rebound. Coach Francis with the ball. Setting a play. All right. Pass to Blackpink. Edwards with the pass break. Edwards moving to the defenders. Edwards passing to 14. Edwards getting it back for 3, pass hook. 6-3 ang ating score. Good. White winning the ball. Number 3, pass hook. 9-3. JT the ball. Pass to 14 of Guzman. Edwards for 3. Pass hook. 9-6 ang ating score. Guzman bringing the ball. Guzman pass to the right. Edwards for 3. Pass hook. All 9. Coach Francis out at pass. Turnover. 3 tapos. Score natin for 9. Everyone setting their teammates. Everyone reminding their teammates. All the way pass to Blackpink. JT passing it to Guzman. Passing it to Edwards. Edwards for 3. Pass hook. Stay stable tayo. Third line. Aubrey is back. Aubrey is up and down. 11-12. JT to the Guzman. The Guzman to JT. JT guarded by Aubrey. JT looking for Edwards. Edwards is not closer. Pasok. 14-11. Ito ball. Edwards. Tapos.
Sabay may 3 points, walang free throw. JT bringing the ball. Kasi sila pick as Jay. Taking ball. Bawat ng foul. Inbound sa gitna. JT the ball. Rolling by teammates. JT up the screen. JT back by Aubrey. JT providing screen. Edwards driving inside. Good. Nakabasket.
Free throw validation. Validation. Okay, validate ang panalo.
Ayaw ko malirinig ko eh.
Di ka naman tawag dun eh. Pinalitin ka natin. Okay, JT, looking for teammate. Short pass looking for teammate. Edwards, getting the ball. Edwards, running the play. Edwards with the 3. Wala. JT with the rebound. JT for 3. Wala. Blackpink with the ball. Blackpink with the passing. Wala. Good. JT. Nice shot sa White. White with the ball. White with the ball. JT pass to Edwards. Edwards around the push pass. Push pass, the ball wala. Push pass with the ball. Pass Aubrey. Aubrey passing the push pass. JT on the ball. JT bringing on the ball to Edwards. Edwards with the layup na wala sobra. Out of bounds. Same ball. Same side. Ako na makabasket tapos free throws tayo. Para mabalalik ng ating panalo. JT. Saka. JT looking for the play.
Well,
JT with the dribble.
hey,
Shot clock running down. JT, hesitate. 3. Wala. Rebound by White. White, passing to Aubrey. Aubrey bringing the ball to the net. Aubrey running down. Wala. JT the rebound. JT bringing the ball, passing to Edwards with the drive to the left. Edwards pass to Costas. Shot block by Black. Gorgeous screen. Edwards at the free throws. Edwards to left. Wala. Cole running to the ball. Knockback. Receive the ball. Knockback. Wala. Jay bringing on the ball. Jay stopping the lahat. Jay with the pull up. Pasok. Free throw time. Alas lahat ng malas, nakuha naman ng tuloy yan. Paano yung palikpik? Alam mo, wala mga permission eh. Fight rule. Control lang. Control. 8-4.
Can we really do anything more than
10-4.
Got the chain on and they feel Be careful when you're down low. I know something. Marvin. Dire-diretso na easy. Happy there. Tumala yung bola sa kanya. Rebound ni Marvin. Kuya Marvin. Nagdadiretso na. Lumipat na wala. Brother. Sinaba pa kay Jer. Tas for 3. Wala. Save by Kuya Marvin. Nakuha ni Kuya Jay. Kuya Jay, hukit mo. Easy. Score down the line. 4-2. Joko. Aaron. Irving pull up jumper. Wala. Nawani. Number 27. Bumiretso na. Wala. Si Jason. Irving. Maluwag ang depensa. Umira. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuya Jay. Si Jer. Ang kanyang partner. Short. Rebound. Kaya number 27. Ang hirap ng rebound. Wala ni Kuya Jason. Dribbling execution. Jason. Dahan-dahan lang. Between the legs. Bumiretso na. Turnover. Number 14. Uy, what a heavy. What a pass. Boss Marvin. May mabatalik. Wala Marvin. Nawala yung bola sa kanya. Nawalaan na. Ano na nangyari? Hirap na naman-shoot niya. Brother. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound by Kuya Jazz. Uy. Behind ka ba? Kay Kuya Aaron. Behind ka ba ulit? Biglang kung ano-ano na ang nangyari. Pineke. To Marvin for 3. Wala. To Jer. Time to shoot. Jer for 3. Wala. Nakuha pa rin ang brother. Ang ganda ng pagkakalima. Lumiwag kinakalit ni Jer. Jer to Jay. Score natin. 6-2. Lamang ang team natin. Save. Time to shoot. Aaron to Jason. Blow by. Pinalo kay Santas. Libre sa press. Sumobra lang. Good rebound ni Kuya Jazz. Justin Sayana. Score natin 6-4. Jay Bennett pinag-pinag-pinag. Wala. Rebound by Jason. Dahan-dahan lang. Hindi ko na alam anong mangyayari dito sa possession na to. Jason, tear drop. Wala. Swing down natin, sabi ni Sertas. Brother. Step back to number 27. Score natin 8-6. Sertas. Nagpababa. Marvin. For 3. Wala. To Sertas for 3. Wala ulit. Tumama na ito sa taas.
Dalawang bounce na.
Ayun, brother. Post pick up. Post move. Biglang tulak. Wala. Rebound by Martin. Ayun. Pag-post lang. Si Kuya Aaron, pinag-dribbling execution. Pinasabit na kay Jason na libre na.
Oleg.
So natin ang Oleg. Brother. Queen, step back. Wala. Good shot yun, good try yun. Alright na. Don't say last. 15 to shoot. Marvin, favorite ko. Easy.
Ready?
Suara dari pendek. Jay Marvin. Kuya Jay. Pinasa kay Jay. Nakakita ng pasa. Douglas lang. Pero binigay na kay brother. Brother. Puwersa na. Jumbo. Aaron Dugo. Aaron to Sertas. Sertas for 3. Bang! 3 points! Bumawi bigla si Darren Tres. Short. Kanina ulit ba? Nakuha ni Aaron. Umispin po. Aaron. Dire-diretso. Biglang pumike. Wala. Brother. Dire-diretso na. Good ticket ni Marvin. Eto na si Marvin. Kuya Marvin. Tumira na tres. Short. Pagka naman yung dribbling ni Gary. Okay na yan. Magpipipin yun. Move on na doon. Kuya Jay. Ayan na si Kuya Jay. Step back number. Nakuha na number 27. Number 27. Pinasa Kuya Jay. Biglang pinasa kanya kasama. Tumira na tres. Wala. Rebound ni Dugo. Pinasa kay Kuya Marvin. Kuya Marvin. Nagpapadali. Dire-diretso na. Uy, sayang. Sorry, sige Marvin. Ayan na, si Kuya Jer. Kuya Jer na gusto na. Kuya Jer. Uy, bigla pa lang buhay. Pinasa kanya kasama. Pinasa ulit. Pinasa. Step back ni Kuya Jer. Wala. Pero napapay ni Kuya Jer siya. Kuya Jer. Uy, ayan na. Ayan na sila. Dugo. To Jason. Pinasa kay Sertas. Pumukol na. Easy.
Free throw.
Winning shot, pero kailangan mo i-validate yan, bossing. Tignan nga natin. Uy! Sorry, miss. Marvin pumukol. Wala. Jay Mercy. Jer. Biglang tumira ng tres. Wow! All 13 namin score natin. Nagiging maganda na. Ang nangyayari. Last to last tayo mga kaibigan. Game point. Game point. Sino clutch? Sino ang clutch? 15 to shoot. Aaron with a jab step. Dahan-dahan lang. Umispin kay Marvin. Aaron, ang ganda ng defense sa kanya. Muntik nang mawala yung bola. Pinasibawan niya na. Jay Marvin. Kuya Jay Marvin. Jay Marvin is there. Jer. Nagpapadali. Jer. Time to shoot. Sa kanyang kasama. Tumira ng tres. Wow! Isip yan pare. Hindi patapos yan. Ishoot mo yan ngayon. Wala! Nakuha kayo ni Kuya Marvin. Yun, maganda doon. Set lang. Tao muna. Kuya Marvin. Tinitignan kung anong gagawin. Kuya Marvin pumasok na. Ganda na laban. Tigit lang. Aaron. Aaron to Marvin. Marvin. Jump step. Marvin. Marvin, step back. 5 to shoot. To Marvin. Ooh! Ang ganda ng give and go. Kuya Justin. Pero kailangan natin i-shoot yan. Tingnan nga natin.
10-6. Last. Throw. Ayun. Good.
Ball. Wala. Ang backboard. Edward with the ball. Pass to Marvin. Marvin takes the three. Pass off. 3-0. Piece of set. Marvin. Emasman, pasok. 3-2. Aubrey the ball. Aubrey loves the ball. Knock back. Ahead to all white, pasok. Change favor. 4-3. Interception. Wala. Nice D. Right D. Full target. 7-3. Coach Francis, sila high number 3-4, 5-6. Salamat sa ating officials for Edo. Yay, the ball. Aubrey for 3. Pasok. 8-6. Coach Francis, fast break. Coach Francis hitting the break. So
Knockback, baseline, pasok. All 8. Out of pass, Aubrey. To Edward. And the snap bola. Pass to Coach Francis. To the Guzman. Aliu pass, mababalik sa kanya. Wala. Aubrey with the rebound. Aubrey pass ahead. Serta. Benefit for the mabilis ang ating ipakita na score. Ang tanong, shoot ba ang free throws? 3, wala. Tapos, Aubrey with the rebound. Aubrey, pass to pass out to Edwards. Edwards for 3, wala. Rebound, at sayang. Alright, to knockback. Knockback, set for 3. Sobra ang 3. Coach Francis saying let's go. Number 14, pass up to Coach Francis. Pasok ang gitna. Score natin. Ano po? 14. 14 tayo. Ano po? Aubrey the ball. Pasok, 12-10 ang ating score. Edwards looking for teammate pass to Jay. Jay pass to Edwards. Edwards bringing down the ball. Edwards, pasok, all 12. Ganda ng layup. JT pass to Nakba. Nakba drives around. Pasok sa gitna. Yes, 14-12. 14-12. Ang na ba ito?
Pagka...
Edwards! Gitna, sobra. 14. Masaya mo lang. 14 sa gitna. 14, hitting break. Step back jumper. Pasok. 12-16. Tamang 4. Aubrey bringing down the ball. Aubrey sitting right up, left. Full Francis up at the time. Francis. Ready by remarks. Ayuk pass ball na. Forward by White. Good pass. Jay. Starter step. Siya sa JT. Tumagas. Wala na. Ayun. Naghanap ka papasahan. Pauluk sa number 25. Number 25 tulak. Wala. Okay lang yan. Jason. Tulak sa 7-6-2. Aaron. To Jeremiah. Pinasa. Lalalim. Walang napuntahan. Jason, nahawa ko lang ng bola. Para. To Sertas for 3. Short. Nakuha ka ng Jason. Jason for the quarter. 8-2. Number 25. To number 1. Hirap ko na. 8-4. Kuya Justin Sayana, nagpapapa ng bola ng entrada at nasa isip ni Rojas. Yun, pinigil lang ang iling. Tutuloy. Sinala ng bola. Mata mo! Nagkulo yun? Ilalabas mo yung mga nakatago po ka. Pero ito, number 40, nag-remember sa tigil. Number 27. To number 25. Sumubok din. Wala. Nawang kay Jay. Jay. Uy. Tossing. Tossing. Jay. Di ba naman sa Score ang score natin. Aaron. Pumukol na press. Wala. Good try, good try. JT. Panganiban. Biglang tumulong na press. Sobra. Biglang, uy! Score natin. Aaron. Number 25. Pumula. Easy basket. Score natin. 36. Jay Wesley. With an hesitation. 2020. Jay Wesley. Jer. Nagmamadali. Lumipat na. Wala. Jeremiah, sa panganiban. With a crossover. Step back. Wala. Good. Poirot, 4-3. Wala. Turnover.
Wala, may konto eh. Nakalimutan mo check? Bakit? Kitang-kita yung check pag sa malayo. Yung gusto ko yung live, kitang-kita yung check. Ayaw na?
Kuya Mark, kunin na ng press. Wala. Jay Murphy, Jay, Coach Francis, Pinasa, sa gitna. Ang layo na press. Sorry. Coach Davey. Baka Coach Davey yan. Coach Davey kasi yan. Easy ka ba? Hindi ka tayo nagkakari. Ito ko lang po yan. Hindi po ang namin. Pinasa kay Sartas si Justin. Justin, 2 minutes. pumapasok na yung pivot. Kaya na, Coach Danny,
Meron na yung bola. Hindi ko pa naman nakikita eh.
Good night, good night. Dahil maganda na kapatid sa nila Marty. Okay, good night. Surprise. Surprise, kumagad. Kuya Mali po, good. Nakuha ni brother. Brother, tayo na. Kuya Mali. Pwede pa rin kay Kuya Mali. Kuya Mali, nagkawa na rin. Ayan na. Ayan na si Kuya Mali. Nagpapakita niya. Tumalay na rin nyo. A5 ang score natin. JP, sumubok na. Easy. 8-7 ang score natin. Brother. Ayaw ko na si brother. Brother. Kinasa ko Jay. Jay, sa akin ako. Ang alam ko, hindi na lang yung pagkakulang na. Nakapagpapay na nakapagpapay na. Start! Let's go, man. To Coach JP. Coach JP. Coach Francis. Dito sa atin. Coach Francis. Easy lang. Easy lang. Ikaw po ba? Ikaw po ba? Kaya kay JP. JP. Doing his move. JP. Sumunod. Diretso na. Good. Oh, my brother. Brother. Easy.
Ulit!
Months. Oy! Show tayo na lang. JD Irving. Coach Francis. Coach Francis to Jay. Jay Irving. To brother. Ginagawa Jay. Execute. Jay Irving. 26 passes at 3. Ang dala naman. Parang ginawang 3. Pero ito na ito eh. Easy man. Ikaw sa player. Ay, sige, bakal ko yan. Gusto nyo bang ituloy na yan?
May na...
Communication. Number 1. Number 25. Number 25. Sumalaksak na kinaliwa. Wala. Good rebound. Tigil dyan. JP. Ginatawag Jay. Step up number 5. That's number 2. Dati. 4-3. Wala. Ayan na. KJ na bola. Uy, step up ulit. Uy.
Mr. Tass, basic shot lang. 4-0. Number 1, dahan-dahan lang daw. 15 to shoot.